Hello my friends, and welcome to my channel. I have another puzzle box here, and if I could, I would like to solve it with you today. It's called the Wormwood Puzzle, and if I remember correctly, it's made by someone from Atlanta, Georgia, who makes several puzzles like these from wood, from some ruins from, I think, a hotel or a mill nearby him from the 1800s. It has a very cool look, and I think if you ever wanted to make puzzles, these would be the ones to start off with. I mean, it's really beautiful, handmade, and well, I've never done this before, so let's get right into it and see if we can solve this puzzle. Now I see here there is, almost looks like a doorknob here and a hinge here. So maybe this opens up somehow, because everything else in this puzzle looks the same. One thing that I did feel is that these things right here move, and this one moves quite a bit. Let's see if these move too. See, these move as well. So I'm thinking I have to find a way to maneuver these little pegs here so I can open up this section, or maybe lift this top off. But let's see if I can figure that out. See, I'm just trying to feel when I move these pegs if they have some give and whatnot. So I'm trying to do it kind of slowly. This one goes on this side as well. Interesting. But this one still does not move. So now this one moved up a bit. I can push this all the way over here. These two move up now. Maybe I can push this. No. Pass this through. I wonder if these pegs completely come out, but I won't know right now. So far, nothing else is moving. So I have some ways to go. I'm trying to see if I can push this one down more, but can't seem to. I think that moved a little bit. There we go. That moved a bit. And this one doesn't move. I'm concerned that I'm pushing everything this way if I think this is the right spot to open up this box, or this, or maybe something else slides. Let's see. Push that one down. So they're all clear here. Maybe let me inspect this a little bit better. This feels very sturdy. I can't see any lines anywhere around here that would open up. Oh, hey. Look at that. The back side open. So this whole part right here was a total decoy. The hinge didn't really mean anything. It just tried to trick you into thinking that this is the front part that opened up. And you can see here that there's like a little maze. These little pegs here, and there's notches here. Probably intertwines, goes in and out and things like that. Let's see. Yeah, you see. And here you can see, I think, the notch and the peg sticking down. So, you know, it would either get stuck here or can rest here, so you can maneuver the rest of the puzzle. So it's really cool, and I think it's great that it's handmade. And I feel like, you know, if you're a puzzle designer or even a beginner one, you know, you can make something like this. I mean, this is solid. It's very cool, and I like that he got the wood from an old mill or hotel nearby. And also you can see here that he numbers all the products that he makes. So I think that's really cool. So now let's try to put this back together. Alright, so now it's all clear, so I can slide this down. Now it's locked. I mean, it's really clever. You wouldn't think this back part opened up. So now let's see if I can put it back to normal, so I can trick the next puzzler. And there you go. Just a few steps, easier to put it back together, but a very cool puzzle, the wormwood puzzle. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, check out my channel for more puzzle solving videos, and I will see you next time.